Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to feed a baby parrot. I have Alexandria baby chick which is 1 month old. The things you need for the feeding are following: a piece of cloth, a 3 milliliter syringe, mixture of rice, 4 types of pulses, and 2 types of flour. In flour I have used wheat flour and gram flour. To make a mixture, boil the rice with 4 types of pulses for about 1 to 2 hours and then blend them together with the flour. So make sure mixture is not too thick or too thick. Things okay. Take a syringe and fill it with the mixture. And as you can see that it is three. I have widened the hole of the syringe for better results. And make sure you have cloth. So first clean the face of the syringe and then take the baby parrot. Here you are, little guy. Okay. Now open the mouth with your 2 fingers and it will start eating it. So make sure you grab it like that and don't push it, and just little bit push the syringe in the mouth slowly so it can easily swallow it. And there you go. Easily swallow it, and then again repeat this step. Here it is, little guy. He is so hungry. Actually he's a male, so that's why I'm calling him he. Okay, don't worry. Okay, just repeat this step 4 to 5 times. If your chick is almost 1 month old, and in this case I have 1 month old, and keep doing like that. Okay. Feed the baby after every 5 to 6 hours. And also, here's a tip for you. Store the mixture in a cool place like refrigerator, and when it's time to feed the baby, make sure it is a little warm and check that it is not cold or warm, but it's normal. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask, and don't forget to subscribe me. And let's clean the face gently. Okay, you are full now. Don't eat the cloth. Okay.